My dear students, NEET, JEE, all state entrance examinations, engineering, MSET, KSET, WIT. So many universities, many states are going to conduct tests besides the JEE and NEET. All competitive exams, I am going to give some stress need for medical aspirants. One is amines. This question are so many types. Methylamine, CH3, NH2, secondary amine. This is a primary amine, secondary amine. This is a tertiary amine. Basicity order. You know very well. What is that? Primary amine. Amines are no doubt they have a tendency to show basic character. Because in amines nitrogen is there. Nitrogen has a lone pair. It has a tendency to donate lone pair. According to Lewis base theory, the species a molecule which has a tendency to contribute to donate electron pair. That is nothing but Lewis base. Okay. So here the question is methylamine or primary amine, secondary amine, dimethylamine, trimethylamine, the tertiary amine. Primary 1 degree, secondary 2 degree, tertiary 3 degree. Okay. Here one you keep it in mind. If they ask aqueous solution, you please keep it in mind. If they ask aqueous solution because of steric effect and plus I effect, inductive effect. I effect means inductive effect. Because of steric effect and plus I effect, I am going to write secondary amine greater than primary amine is greater than tertiary amine. Please note it. What is that? Plus I effect and steric effect. So please note it. Amines basicity order if they ask, you please keep in mind 2 points. Are they asked aqueous solution or vapor or gas phase? If they ask aqueous solution, you put secondary amine in first place, the next is primary amine, the next is tertiary amine. Okay. Because of plus I effect, steric effect, already you are well rested in your classroom. At the same time, if they asked gases or vapor phase, what about the basicity of the amines? No doubt, tertiary is greater than secondary, is greater than primary. You know what is that tertiary amine? Please note it. If the reaction takes place in gas or vapor phase, you please note it. Tertiary amines has greater tendency to contribute because of 3 methyl groups are there. Methyl group is a plus effect, that is electron releasing group. The more number of electrons will contribute towards nitrogen. So nitrogen has a tendency to donate electron pair. Because of plus effect, I am going to say tertiary 3 methyl groups are there. Here 2 methyl groups are there. Here only 1 methyl group is there. So in gases and vapor phase, electron releasing group because of plus effect. Inductive effect. So tertiary is more basic than secondary than primary. Okay. Next, this question also buffer solution. NEET 2019. What is buffer solution? Buffer solution, the solution which resists the change in pH value. which oppose the change in pH value when you add a little amount of acid or base to the given solution. The solution which resist, which oppose the change in pH value when you add a little amount of acid or base to the given solution. The first solution, all these syrups, all the tonics which you are going to use in medical industry are nothing but preservative salts, all good buffer solution. Acidic buffer, I am going to write simple, I am not going to write detail. Basic buffer. What is acidic buffer? What is basic buffer? You see, acidic buffer means weak acid, that is nothing but acidic acid, CH3COOH, and salt with strong base. Acidic acid nothing but weak acid and strong with strong base. You see, CH3COOH, strong base means I am going to take NaOH, gives CH3COONA plus H2. So this is I am going to write. So acidic acid, what is acidic buffer? Weak acid, acidic buffer. Acidic buffer. What is acidic buffer? Weak acid and salt with and salt. Which salt? Acidic weak acid with strong base. Weak acid, that is acidic acid, strong base sodium hydroxide, sodium acetate. So acidic buffer nothing but CH3COOH plus CH3COONA. Please note it. Acidic buffer nothing but weak acid and salt with strong base. Salt with strong base. This is acidic buffer. This question was asked in 2019 NEET question. At the same time, basic buffer. Weak base. Weak base I am going to take ammonium hydroxide. Weak base I am going to take ammonium hydroxide. And salt with strong acid. You see, NH4OH plus HCl gives NH4OH plus HCl. You know NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. So, please note it. Basic buffer, weak base and salt with strong acid. A mixture of weak base and salt with strong acid, that is nothing but basic buffer. Acidic buffer, weak acid and salt with strong base. Weak acid and salt with strong base is nothing but acidic buffer. Acidic acid plus sodium acetate. At the same time, weak base and salt with strong acid, that is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH and ammonium chloride. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Another important question. SP hybridization. Chaining. Which molecule, which compound possesses SP? You see, among 4 species, 4 options are given. I am going to take only that one. Select one. That is, you see. SP, no doubt, triple bond, CH. Okay, SP. Here also, triple bond, single bond, SP. No need to hydrogen. Here also, 4 bonds, SP. Here also, SP. This is nothing but C4H2. Or 1 comma, first place, second place, third place, fourth place. 1 comma 3 butadiene. Butadiene or but 1,3-diene or Diacetylene, you can say diacetylene. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, H, 1, 2. Okay. So, first carbon sp, second carbon sp, third carbon sp, fourth carbon sp. Please note it. Carbon possesses triple bond between two carbon atoms. I can say that carbon definitely will undergo sp. At the same time, carbon has double bonds on both sides. Please note it. If carbon has double bond on both sides, this is a carbon, this is a carbon. This carbon has this side double bond, this side double bond. Again, you take another example, that is CO2. See, this carbon has double bond this side and this side. If carbon has a double bond on both sides, the carbon is said to be sp hybridization. If carbon has triple bond, the carbon is said to be sp hybridization. So here carbon dioxide carbon sp, carbon monoxide carbon sp, triple bond sp. So please note it. 1,3-butadiene or but-1,3-diene or diacetylene. Thank you. We will go next section. Thank you. I have uploaded 128 shorts for the benefit of you. This is a service motto because I love chemistry. I have passion to teach chemistry, for which I am doing this exercise for the benefit of the poor children. Not only poor, everybody has access to utilize my videos. Please see it. You are already completed the whole syllabus in chemistry. But at the same time, daily you watch my shorts. Definitely you will benefit. Thank you.